Want to remove the most popular and useful Turn Off the Lights Microsoft Edge extension? Here's how. First, click right on the gray lamp button, and select Manage Extensions. A new web page shows up. Now scroll to the bottom of the web page and click on the button Remove. Next, it asks for a confirmation, and click on the blue button Remove. After the removal is completed, you have the option to feedback the developer of the Turn Off the Lights browser extension. We take all feedback very seriously to improve this unique and high-quality extension. Also, there is an option to contact support if you need any help. For more helpful tips, subscribe to the Turn Off the Lights channel or click another video to keep watching.